Hi friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video I'll explain you how to find the resistance of a resistor if you know the color code of the resistance. There are two ways. Either you can find the resistance by putting the colors in this resistance calculator, or you can find the resistance manually if you know the values of individual color. First of all, I'll tell you the values. Here black is 0, brown is 1, red is 2, orange is 3, yellow 4, green 5, and so on. In this 4-band mode, the first three are used to find the resistance of the resistor, and the fourth one is tolerance band, that how much tolerance this resistance have, or you can say plus minus of the resistance. If I change the first band to brown, as I have told earlier, the value is 1. If I change it to red and this to orange, so now you can see in this 4-band mode the first two are significant digits and are written as their values. So for brown I'll write 1, for red I'll write 2, so it is 1 2. Now this third is multiplier, so orange the value is 3, so it is 1 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. The band 3 here is the multiplier of 10, so it is 1 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, and the resistance is 12 kilo ohm. You can change the unit from here, it is 12,000 ohms or 0.012 mega ohms. I'll switch it to kilo ohm. Let's see one more example. If I change the band 1 to blue, the value is 6, band 2 to green, so the value is 5. Now these two are significant digits, so I'll write 6 for blue, 5 for green, and as if I change the multiplier to red, so it is 6 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 2, which is 6.5 kilo ohm, and in ohms it is 6500. I hope now you can easily find the resistance if you know the color codes manually also, but if you didn't remember the values of color, you can switch to calculator. Now this calculator also have an option of finding the resistance of 5-band and 6-band. First we will see 5-band. In 5-band there are 5 bands. The first 4 are for finding the resistance, and the last one is tolerance, same as before. Here instead of 2 significant digits, 3 significant digits are there. I'll change the first band to brown, second to red, third to orange, and fourth to yellow. Here the band 4 is the multiplier of 10. Now you can easily find the resistance. For band 1 I'll write 1, band 2 I'll write 2, for band 3 I'll write 3. Now instead of assuming this band 3 as multiplier, same as before, we will write here 3 significant digits, and then the band 4 is multiplier. So it is 1 2 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. As band 4 is yellow, the value of yellow is 4. If I change it to green, so now it is 1 2 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 5, or 1.23 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. If I change it to small values, it is 1 2 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 1 with a tolerance of 10%. If you change the tolerance to gold, it is 5%. If you change the tolerance to none, it is 20%. So I hope you don't find any difficulty finding the resistance of 5-band also, as here first 3 are significant digits. Just write their values as 1 2 whatever their values are, just write them, and then multiply with 10 to the power value of band 4. Here it is 1, so 1 2 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, and then there is a tolerance of 20%, that is this value 1230 can go plus minus 20%. Now we will find the resistance of a 6-band mode. In the 6-band mode, the last one is temperature coefficient. For black it is 250 U. If I change it to brown, it is 100 S. If I change it to red, it is 50 R. So in the 6 band mode, everything is same as 5 band mode, just there is an extra band for temperature coefficient. Else if I remove this band 6, the process of finding the resistance is same as band 5. First 3 are significant digits, fourth one is multiplier, fifth is tolerance, and here the sixth is temperature coefficient. Let us see one example. Band 1 is yellow, so the value of yellow is 4. I will write just 4. Then orange, so 4, 3, red, 2. So these 3 are significant digits, so the resistance is 4, 3, 2. Now this is multiplier, I will change it to brown. The value of brown is 1. So now it is 4, 3, 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 1. So it is 4320 ohms or 4.32 kilo ohms with the tolerance of 10%. If I change it to gold, it is 5%, and the temperature coefficient 50R, or if I change it to orange, it is 15P. I have given the list of temperature coefficients with their color at my blog. You can go to my blog, I have given the link below, and watch it, have a look at it. What are the values of different coefficient with their colors. So now I hope you can find the resistance easily if you are given the color code, and it does not matter to you if it is 4 band, 5 band or 6 band. If you like the video, please share and subscribe it. We'll soon meet you with a new video. Thank you.